Well, look who it is. Thank you for joining my channel. My name is Kat, and today we are doing our Lip Monthly review. So I pay $12 a month, and I get, I'm still not sure, because this is only the second time we've got this. So I think I can feel 3 things. So it is called Lip Monthly, and again I pay $12 a month. Let's take a wee peek, shall we? I'm curious. Oh, okay. I believe this is a lip liner of sorts. Oh, I'm assuming that the pink color means it's pink. That's cool. Okay. Okay, this is extremely wrapped. Oh, I should have done this before, but I wanted to open it with you. Okay. Why is this so hard? Oh my god. Let me in. Okay, there we go. So it does come with a sharpener, which is cool. Ooh, that's like a pretty rose nude. Thank you, Lip Monthly. What else is in this little bag? Oh man, they wrap the shit up. Okay, next is this. And it just says O2, so I don't quite know what that means, mate. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Okay. There's this brown color. Let's give it a go. Okay. It is certainly brown. Okay. It's kind of, to me, looks like a greeny brown. Oh, let's swatch it. You know, it's not too bad. It feels okay on the lips. It's just not really my favorite color. So, off. Dirty Little Secret. It just says lip gloss. Oh, it says Rose Petal. Okay. Oh shit, that's pretty. Okay. Okay, let's have a look. Deuce, holy shit. It's like a watermelon pink. Let's take a quick look here. Oh, that's beautiful. Oops. That's really pretty. Hello. Okay, Rose Petal, you go. What do you think? Too bright? No. We got one more item. LOrange. What the fuck? Are you serious? Okay, I'm pretty sure this is expensive. What have we got? In the shade Bestie? Please be a nude, please be a nude. Oh, shit. Okay, there's that. These are pretty. Besides, I'm sorry, the brown's not going to work for me. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, yes. Uh-oh. What better color for fall? For real. Right? Yes, please. I think that's beautiful. So that is it for Lip Monthly's September. I love it. I think it's great. Again, the brown is just not a color that I usually use. For $12, I think that that is wonderful. I got 4 products. Yeah, one of them isn't my favorite, but the other 3 are beautiful. Please let me know in the comments below what you thought of September's Lip Monthly bag, if you will. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will check you on the next one.